Hey everyone, Acer has expanded its mobile device portfolio with the introduction of two new affordable tablets in the Iconia lineup, the Iconia V12 and the Iconia V11. These devices are designed to offer a budget-friendly multimedia and productivity experience, combining modern specifications with clean Android software and practical features aimed at students, casual users, and families. The more premium of the two, the Acer Iconia V12, features a tall 12-inch LCD display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. It delivers a sharp 2K resolution and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes for a noticeably more fluid experience when scrolling through apps, web pages, or videos. This large display is ideal for multitasking and media consumption, especially with Android's split-screen capabilities. Slightly smaller in size but nearly identical in design and functionality, the Iconia V11 sports an 11-inch LCD panel, also with a 16:10 aspect ratio and 90 Hz refresh rate. However, it opts for an full HD plus resolution instead of 2K, which still offers sharp visuals suitable for streaming, reading, and basic productivity tasks. Aside from screen size and resolution, both tablets share the same internal hardware and design language. Under the hood, both the Iconia V12 and V11 are powered by the Helio G99 chipset, a reliable and efficient mid-range processor that balances performance and power consumption. The tablets are available with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage, giving them enough headroom for multitasking, media storage, and general use. For users needing even more space, Acer has included a micro SD card slot, supporting expansion up to 1 TB. Camera capabilities are modest but adequate for video calls and casual photography. Both tablets feature a 5-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and conferencing, while the rear houses an 8-megapixel shooter. Battery life is one of the strongest points of the Iconia V12 and V11. Each tablet is equipped with a sizable 8,000 mAh battery pack, which Acer claims can deliver up to 10 hours of usage on a full charge. This should easily cover a full day of typical use, whether that's streaming video, browsing the web, or attending online classes. Acer has also paid attention to form, factor, and design. Both models are relatively thin, with a 7.9mm profile that keeps them light and comfortable to hold for extended periods. They support a magnetic folio cover for added protection and usability, and optional stylus support enhances their appeal for note-taking or drawing. Dual stereo speakers round out the multimedia experience, ensuring decent sound output for watching videos or listening to music. Both tablets run the latest version of Android, offering a clean and up-to-date software experience with access to Google services and a wide array of apps via the Play Store. In terms of pricing and availability, the Iconia V12 is scheduled for release in July with a starting price of €289. The smaller Iconia V11 will follow in August 2025, priced at €229. Overall, the Acer Iconia V12 and V11 are well-rounded entry-level tablets that offer solid hardware, long battery life, and a clean Android experience at an affordable price. Whether for entertainment, school, or general use, they're shaping up to be strong contenders in the budget tablet segment. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.